Turning engine 10J99. All turning good, all compression complete. On the front all looks nice. No damages here. On this side all looks like so. We have damaged plastic here, as you can see. Compressor looking like so. Turbo is in good condition. On the top all looks good, no damages. On the back side all looks good as well. I didn't see any damages here. And on this side all looks like so. Altimeter looking good. Starter already broken, as you can see. Oil sum is in good condition. Underneath I didn't see any damages. Turning engine 10J99. Thank you.